Alright, boys. This is a secret mission we're on right now. It's been in the works. I just keep it in the background. We're focused on Trans Am right now on the Yukon.
Denali.
The Denali. Sorry, dog. Sorry.
All-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive, 6-speed. Let's throw that in there. Leather, sunroof. Alright, so we're gonna throw that in there because he wants to. Alright, so anyways, we're on the way right now, and I'm not sure when this video is gonna be posted. If not, hopefully the truck's running by the. Oh crap! Hopefully it's done and completed by the time this video is posted. So we shall see. But we're on the way to our shop right now. All right, so I just got back from the store. Yeah, I want to go pick up the oil. Nice little motor oil. So you got the windlass tray, the pickup tube on, and the oil pump. The timing chain, yeah. You're supposed to torque those.
2 of the dozen.
From the assembly loop.
Yeah, already comes lube, guys. Look, it's lubed up already, guys. But for all the unhappy people commenting on the video, you know, we're gonna lube it up for y'all guys.
Assembly lube.
Comment. Y'all want more? We spit on it next time, dog.
I want to keep this.
You see it? It's dripping, guys.
The new Canberry. Show them new Canberry.
The Canberries, for the people that said we should have put the Canberries.
Put new Canberries in it. We should have put new pistons in it. Should have put new.
We gapped them this time. Honed the block.
Shit.
You want to go in?
We should have used assembly loop.
See, that's why we're struggling, guys.
Camp's too big.
That's what she said. Stop. Hi.
New Canberries, new cam.
Gap the rings.
Gap the rings. Let me go get the heads. We can show them
We
that
didn't
too.
wash the engine
At the car wash this time?
guys.
We took it to the.
We did it here at the house.
All brand new lifters. We're not gonna reuse them like we did last time. Nah, we didn't.
The other one was a budget bill, guys.
Nah, we didn't reuse them last time either.
My brother was on a budget, and we told him we can do it, and we did it
On a budget.
on a budget.
But yeah.
In a whole day, all right. Only took us a day to do. New tray, yes sir. This was getting the works for everybody.
Yeah, for everybody. Comment what you don't like about it.
Something that we're missing, let us know, guys.
We'll take it back out and we'll go ahead and replace it for you.
We'll go ahead and pull it out. That's what she said.
Fresh rebuilt heads, lap valves. What else? CNC or whatever, I don't know.
What's the problem?
But they're brand new. So yeah, last time we didn't do this.
Yeah, I just missed it. Like, wait.
Like you're trying to do them in order, but you're like way off, I think.
I'm off. I'm off.
Alright. So he just got him like down. He had to put on pressure on it. He just, now we're gonna torque him. Alright, so the motor's all put back together, they're all torqued. We did torque them. And we stretched to yield the bolts. So yeah, it's all together now. Now what? Gotta torque the oil pan bolts, the timing covers, right? So yeah, go ahead.
Get ready to
They'll be ready to get put in tomorrow, today.
few hours.
Whatever. I'm gonna sleep after this. So yeah, so nice and complete now. We're gonna lift it up right now and get the oil pan torqued, and then they'll be ready to go in now.
Yeah. Move, pick it up.
All right, boys, it's off my phone. I'm with the GoPro. The GoPro's dead, but I want to get started already. I want to wait on the GoPro. So, got the engine cleared or whatever. I cleaned this a little bit, get the wires out the way. We're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get the motor in by myself. I hope I can do it. I hope I can. If I can't, then it'll just be like dangling right there, I guess you could say. But yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get the motor in. My brother put it all together. You've seen that. Well, of course he did. But he had to leave. He had his baby, so congratulations to him. Honestly, I don't even know the baby's name. He hasn't told me, and I haven't asked, but I'll find out soon. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I've never done this alone, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get started. I guess I'm gonna just pick the motor up and try to throw it in there. As long as I get the motor mounts to line up and on the transmission, I should be good and just go from there. Yes, sir. Hopefully the truck's running this weekend because I'm working a lot and been busy, so I needed to go to work. I've been driving that, and that wastes a lot of gas. A lot of gas. And this is gonna waste a lot of gas, but I like this one more. All right, so that went a lot more smoothly. The transmission's not fully seated in, there's a little gap, but I'm pretty sure I can get under there and finesse it in there. This side, same thing. Motor mounts all lined up smoothly, like from factory. What is a factory motor, right? But yeah, so making good progress. I mean, I wouldn't know how to do this without my brother, so appreciate him for teaching me all this stuff. All right, so just a little quick update. Got the AC compressor on. Got the bell housing bolts on. The motor mount bolts on. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I thought I did more, but apparently I haven't. So I'm just keep going at it. I mean, I'm not rushing it because I do have time, but I don't have that all the time. So I'm just go ahead and just keep going, right? I mean, that's something I can do. Just. Hi boys, we're making progress as you can see. Intake on. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting the headers on. I had to wait on. I didn't have manifold bolts, but now I got them. He came in clutch and went to go pick them up for me. Then I got the gaskets here. I got one, and I have to order one, but I'm gonna use a cheapy one that we have right here. I got my steering shaft back on. Now I just gotta put the headers on, the coils on, plug everything in, and should be good. Oh, I need water pump bolts. Yeah, I have to go to the store right now. Or I might send him if I can try to get this on tonight, because I didn't think I was, but the way it's looking, I think I might. All right, so we're gonna keep drinking it up, keep going, and hopefully we finish. Then they're gonna say, you would have finished if you were drinking beer. Damn, I don't like that. Keep going. Here, you put it up there. right, boys, so I think that might be where I end off the video. I'm not too sure yet, but if I don't work on it tomorrow morning, so I do have plans tomorrow, then that should be it. But I did miss like a ground or something, like it's flickering in and out, like stays on and it doesn't, and so it has to be some ground. Maybe this, he's pointing out this strap that I did miss, but I'll figure it out more tomorrow. It's already dark. I mean, truck turned on. It didn't make good oil pressure. It didn't get up to temp or anything, but it made 60-ish. Yes, 60, a little bit over 60 I think it was, which is great. And motor, it sounded nice and smooth. Choppy. Yeah, oh yeah, the camera's real choppy. I don't know why it does that, but anyways, it's on, the motor's in. I didn't think I was gonna get this far. I really did not think I was gonna get this far to turn it on, but we got it. And oh yeah, hold on, let me do this with the shit. 723, and we didn't miss something, but the truck's on. So peace. If I don't make it past this, I don't know if I'm gonna record tomorrow, but anyways, I'm not even too sure what I'm gonna do tomorrow. So I probably am gonna work on it, but I'm not gonna just record any of it. Just get it running good. The next video will be of it running and driving and stuff. Maybe that and more. We'll figure it out. Alright, dog. So peace. Like, comment, subscribe. You want to see more of this? I like doing this. I guess I do like doing this. Shout out to my brother for it. If it wasn't for him, I really wouldn't know how to do all this. I wouldn't be down, like I wouldn't even attempt to throw the motor in myself, and he's done it multiple times, so that's why I was like, screw it, I'm gonna try it out. And then look at it running. Bye, dog. Peace. Like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna finish this little bit real quick, and then we're gonna get to this later tomorrow. All right, dog. Peace.